Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information this week. Today we're going to find out, why is my washer draining slowly? Well, there could be a couple things. There's some things you need to check. Now, if you have a front load washer, GE, Samsung, LG, and even the Whirlpools, but the Whirlpools are hard to access, but they have a thing that they can clean out. It's called a coin trap. What it is this right here is going to be visible from the front of your machine. And if you look right down here, okay, it's right there, okay? So you'll basically come in here, okay, and this is where you'll have to check it at. Let me show you how to do that, okay? Now, the nice thing is, in your machine, this is the lowest possible point in the unit. So if you pop this off, you can drain it slowly and actually catch the water. Now, if you don't, and you just open this like this, you're going to have about 3 to 5 gallons of water go all over your floor. You don't want to do that. Well, if you're in the basement, there's a drain right next to, probably doesn't matter, but most people don't have that. So, but what I'm talking about is, see, your water comes in back here, okay? It flows through this and then flows out of this into the drain, which then goes out of your house or out of the machine. Now what happens is this gets clogged with stuff. And the more clogged this gets, the less the water can go through it, which means it's going to drain slower. Okay? This is something you should check quite often. I would say probably at least twice a year. Now, if you have large dogs that shed a lot, you may want to do it more often, because if you've got hair all over you, well, that's all going in your washer. You're going to want to make sure you check this a little more often to keep this up so you don't blow out your pump here. Now, your LGs, your Samsungs, and your GEs, they all have it accessible from the front, okay? Now, your Whirlpools have this, but it's not accessible from the front. You have to actually go underneath, either from the back or underneath, and do that. You may want to have someone come out and do that for you, because it involves a lot of movement of your machine. Okay, so this is something to check if you feel like your clothes washer is draining slow. This is something you can check at home. If you check it, it's still not working right, you probably got a bad pump, which means that point you're going to have to call someone out to take care of it for you and get you all fixed up, save you from having to buy a whole new washer. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back next week for some more wonderful information. Have a good day. Bye.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.